Welcome back to our series on Agentic AI. In our last episode, we explored the challenges and strategies for scaling these intelligent systems across enterprises. Today, we delve into what makes these agents truly intelligent, the cognitive framework. This is the architecture that enables Agentic AI to perceive, reason, and act in complex environments. The cognitive framework is essentially the mind of Agentic AI. It's what allows these systems to not just process information, but to understand it, adapt to it, and respond intelligently. At its core, this framework mirrors human cognitive functions from perception and learning to decision making and action. Let's start with perception. For an AI agent, perception involves gathering data from its environment, whether through sensors, APIs, or direct inputs. Think of an AI managing a factory floor. It perceives information about machinery performance, worker activity, and resource availability in real time, creating a holistic view of the system it oversees. Next comes reasoning. Once data is gathered, the agent applies logic and models to make sense of it. This step is where the system determines patterns, predicts outcomes, and evaluates possible actions. For example, in a supply chain, an AI agent might reason that delaying a shipment by a day could reduce cost and align inventory levels without disrupting production. This reasoning step turns raw data into actionable insights. The third layer is learning. Unlike static systems, agentic AI improves over time by learning from interactions and outcomes. This involves both supervised and unsupervised methods, allowing the agent to refine its strategies and adapt to new challenges. For instance, an AI assistant in customer service might learn from past conversations to better handle future queries, improving both speed and accuracy. Finally, there's action. After perceiving, reasoning, and learning, the agent takes decisions and executes them autonomously. This could be anything from adjusting a thermostat in a smart building to reallocating resources in a cloud infrastructure. Importantly, the action is informed by all prior cognitive steps, ensuring it aligns with goals and context. One fascinating aspect of this framework is metacognition. This is the agent's ability to monitor and evaluate its own decisions and performance. Essentially, the AI thinks about its thinking. If an agent realizes that a particular strategy isn't yielding optimal results, it can adjust its approach, much like humans reflecting on their decisions and pivoting when necessary. The cognitive framework also enables collaboration. By integrating communication protocols, multiple agents can share their perceptions and reasoning, working together to solve complex problems. For example, in disaster response, one agent might assess the severity of the situation, while another prioritizes resources, and a third coordinates logistics, all seamlessly collaborating through their cognitive architecture. However, building and deploying such frameworks is no small feat. It requires careful design to ensure robustness, transparency, and adaptability. Moreover, ethical considerations must be baked into every layer, from how data is perceived to how decisions are executed. The cognitive framework is what makes agentic AI more than just a set of tools. It makes it a dynamic, adaptable partner capable of navigating complexity with intelligence and precision. In our next episode, we'll explore agentic AI in personalized education. How are these intelligent systems transforming learning experiences, adapting to individual needs, and scaling education globally? Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the extraordinary potential of agentic AI.